Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 6 civics chapter urban livelihood. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying our daily quizzes published in community tab. If not, subscribe the channel and become the member of family and enjoy daily quizzes, and do tell me whether these quizzes are helpful to you or not. Comment me in the comment box. Let's start. First question is the job of casual workers is dash. Answer is temporary. Job of casual workers is temporary. Next question is street hawkers can be asked to dash their shops at any time of the police by the police. Answer is dismantle. Next question is permanent workers get dash salary every month. Answer is regular. Permanent workers get regular salary. Next question is permanent shops need to get a dash to do business by municipal corporation. Answer is license. Permanent shops need a license. Next question is urban areas are very dash. Answer is crowded. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, press the like button and share the video with your friends. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for getting instant indications for the videos. Bye bye for now. We will get back to you in another video. Bye bye.